How to fix your personal hotspot keeps disconnecting. So whether you're hotspotting to another mobile or you're hotspotting to your laptop, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where it keeps disconnecting. Now there's basically 3 different settings that we need to change. So first go and load up your settings on your phone. You can then scroll down and click on mobile service. Now click on personal hotspot. Make sure allow others to join is turned on, and also make sure maximize compatibility is turned off like you see here. You can then come back over to the main settings page. We're then going to scroll down to battery and click on this. Now scroll down to the bottom and make sure low power mode is turned off and disabled. You can then head back over to the main settings page. You'll then need to scroll down to display and brightness, scroll down to auto lock and click on this, and make sure this option is set to never, as sometimes if your phone screen locks, this can actually turn off the mobile hotspot. Now once you've changed all of these settings, you can try reconnecting to your hotspot, and that should have now solved the disconnecting issue.